Join me as I try to uncover the fastest cash secrets out there and see if I can make some serious money in just 1 week. Who wouldn't want to make some fast cash? It's the ultimate dream, right? The freedom to do what you want, when you want, without worrying about money constraints. But let's be real. Most people struggle to make ends meet, let alone rake in the dough quickly. There are many misconceptions about making money quickly. Some people think it's all about getting rich overnight, or that it's just for lucky people who stumble upon the right opportunity. But the truth is, making fast cash takes effort, patience, and a willingness to learn. The biggest challenge people face is being consistent and staying motivated. They get discouraged by setbacks and give up too easily. Another misconception is that making fast cash is only for people with special skills or talents. But that's not true. Anyone can make fast cash, regardless of their background or experience. It's all about finding the right strategy and putting in the work. The problem is, most people don't know where to start or what methods actually work. We've all seen those flashy ads promising overnight riches, but most of them are just scams. People get lured in by false promises and end up losing money instead of making it. That's why it's so important to do your research and be cautious of any opportunity that sounds too good to be true. Online freelancing is one of the fastest ways to make money. You can offer services like writing, graphic design, or social media management on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. The key is to find your niche and market yourself effectively. You can also flip items for profit, whether it's physical goods or digital products. The trick is to find something undervalued and resell it for a higher price. Leveraging social media is another way to make fast cash. You can partner with businesses to promote their products or services, or create your own products and sell them to your followers. The key is to build a large and engaged audience, and then monetize it effectively. But out of all the methods I've tried, there's one that stands out as the most effective. It's called affiliate marketing, and it's been a game changer for me. Essentially, you promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique link. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with the right strategy and marketing, you can make serious money quickly. I remember when I first started affiliate marketing, I was skeptical. I thought it was just another scam, but I decided to give it a shot. I invested time and effort into learning the ropes, and within a few weeks I started seeing results. It was amazing. Suddenly I had a steady stream of income coming in, and it was all thanks to this one strategy. My biggest tip for making fast cash is to focus on providing value. Whether it's through freelancing, flipping items, or affiliate marketing, you need to offer something that solves a problem or meets a need. When you focus on providing value, the money will follow. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about building a sustainable business that generates income consistently. In conclusion, making fast cash is not easy, but it's definitely possible. It takes effort, patience, and the right strategy. Don't be discouraged by setbacks or false promises. Instead, focus on providing value and building a sustainable business. What are your thoughts on fast cash opportunities? Have you ever tried making money quickly? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more money-making tips, be sure to check out my next video. Thanks for watching.